Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on search privacy in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From this menu we have to go into the saved menu, and then from the saved menu we have to go into the settings by tapping on the little cog in the top right corner and then tapping on settings. Now in the settings menu we have to tap on profile visibility, and then we have to tap on the search privacy little toggle button, and then we can just proceed by tapping on I understand. And now different kinds of search engines can't follow our search history. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.